Welcome to today's live session. It is officially July 1st. That means that we are officially in the second half of the year. So I hope that everyone is ready, that you relook at your goals and everything and getting ready and excited and pumped up to get into the second half of the year. I feel like July is always kind of the month that you have to revisit what you had planned for January so that you make sure that you're on track now that we have officially complete 6 months already during the year. But anyways, if you're catching my live for the first time, I'm Ronica, and I help my clients save anywhere from $5,000 to over $100,000 on their taxes through my money saving tax planning service that I offer during the year. And now that you know how much money you've made from January to June, so now is the best time to see if tax planning it would be a fit for you and your business so that you can see how much money you will save for 2019. So for today, I wanted to address the topic my friend is able to do whatever your friend was able to do. So a lot of times business owners feel like they should be able to do this as well. Whether it's taking certain deductions, whether it's maybe getting certain type of investments, it always has something to do with money. And I guess because I'm in the money business, why I get asked these questions a lot or get these things brought to my attention. But if your friend is able to do certain things and you think that, well, I should be able to do that as well, really ask a question. But the thing you have to understand is what makes your friend financial situation different. And a lot of times it has to do with either you're making way more money than your friend, or your friend is making way more money than you. And a lot of times we know that with more money, there's more flexibility. There's more things that you can move around. There's more advanced planning that you can do with more money. So it could be that either you're making more money or your friend is making way more money than you. Also, a lot of time is sometimes your friend don't really know. Sometimes they just throw things to say, okay, I'm doing this. Sometimes they don't know the detail of what they're deducting. Sometimes they really don't even know if they're getting a deduction. So if you feel like, your friend seems like you're getting a better tax situation than you are, one of the things that you have to keep in mind is see how much your situation line up against your friend. What type of business does your friend has? How much money is your friend making? And a lot of us don't even know how much money our friends are making, but we also want the same things and understand why you're getting certain things and why you're not. So I think that the key is to understand, not even looking at your friend, because if you're going to be talking to your provider, whether you're CPA or your accountant, a lot of times we're not going to know. As a CPA, a lot of times I don't know your friend's situations, and until you know the facts and the circumstances of what's going on in your friend's life, a lot of times I feel like I'm getting asked this question because they want to really validate that, yes, my friend is really doing this. But a lot of times that we're not going to know, because we have to see your friend's return for one. We have to know your friend's financial situation to even answer that question. So I would say don't worry as much as what your friend is doing, and worry more about what are some of the things that you're able to do. And one of the things that you can do is, if you feel like you're not getting the best situation based on the information that you may be someone that look at information online. A lot of us are information junkies that will go and Google stuff. So if you feel like Google is confirming what your friend is saying or something like that, what you can do is go get a consultation with someone else. There's nothing wrong with getting consultation. A lot of times you may have to pay for that consultation or something like that. So there's nothing wrong with going to go get a consultation by next CPA or next financial planner or something like that, just to get that peace of mind that you're getting everything that you need to. And if they don't know your friend's situation, as I said, they're not going to be able to tell you that your friend. It could be that I have situation where I really have to tell people that your friend is married, you aren't married. So sometimes it comes to simple basic things like that. Your friend has 3 children, you have 0 child. You don't have any children. Sometimes it comes to basic things like that that can make a difference. How much money your friend is making, how much money is your friend's spouse making, how much money are you making if you're single, if you're married, how much money is your spouse making, what are some of the things, how's your friend business different from you. It could be that your friend is in real estate, you're a consultant. There are 2 different type of things that real estate businesses and consulting businesses are able to do. So sometimes a lot of these things are what makes it different. So if you're getting frustrated feeling that your friend is doing something that you're not doing, or someone is saying that you're not able to do it, just see how much your facts and your friend's facts line up to see if this is something even you should be worried about. And as I mentioned, go get a consultation to see if you're really entitled to some of these things. You can Google search for just general information, but a lot of times Google doesn't really answer the more detailed part of our money situation. That you may find certain things on Google, but it really doesn't give you the answer that's specific for you or for your business, and that's what actually that will make the difference. But anyways, that's it for today. If you're thinking that your friend is getting something and you're not getting it, the first thing that you have to try to do is understand why you're getting it or why you're not getting it. A lot of times people are not going to be able to tell you what's going on with your friends unless you and your friend is using the same provider, and even at that point they can't really disclose what's going on with your friend's situation. So a lot of times, instead of focusing so much of what your friend told you, because a lot of the times your friend don't even know to begin with, focus on what you're trying to get with either this deduction, this financial situation, this investment. What's your end goal with this investment? And get the information so you know why is it a fit for you, or why not is a fit, or why it's not a fit for you. Again, remember that the only way that you're going to save money on taxes is by doing tax planning, not just preparing your tax return. That's it for today. Hopefully, if you have that question hanging around your head thinking that your friend is getting something that you're not, remember to just see how does it apply to you, and what are the facts that are different in your friend's life compared to yours. That's it for today. Have a good day.